Good morning. We represent ZA OOA 222. It's a triple line bred 998 of Sangers, Goed Grys. It's actually a very nice cock. Very well balanced. Very tight lengths. Short forearm. This young cock is part of our last imports in November. Is going to flight 5. It's a massive wing on him. Quite strong. I think he will develop into something quite nice. Really like him. Thank you.